Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we have a brand new stock for you on this channel. Okay, we mentioned this one once before and we're already sitting on some nice gains since then, but it was not a full-on stock analysis video. We literally just touched on it very recently, but today I did promise you guys I would give you analysis, and that's what we're going to get into. Okay, so if you appreciate all of this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. It really is appreciated. It helps get these videos out to more and more investors as well. And yeah, let's talk about this one. Okay, brand new stock for the channel. I'll be mentioning this one here and there on the Patreon as well. If you want to come and join our Patreon, check it out. A link to that is in the description below. Let's get into this. We are talking about liveXLive, okay, ticker symbol LIVX. This stock does currently trade on the NASDAQ, and at the time of recording, we're around about 450, okay? So we are in penny stock territory, 340 million market cap. It's been on a bit of a run today, but if we look at the last month, we did see this one run up quite big, okay, to about just over $6 per share. It is since down from those highs about 25%. We're going to get into why we see this run up, okay, and why we see this pull back a bit. And as well, do I think this company is a buy? I'm going to give you my thoughts on this company. So first off, liveXLive. What is this? Well, we go onto their website here, okay? This is a music platform as a whole, as a nutshell here, okay? They've got lots of things going on though. It's not just music. They've got podcasts. You can see here video, original shows, on demand, events as well. You can watch live events. You can watch like festivals online, okay? This is an exciting platform. It's kind of a mixture here between, you know, Netflix for music, Spotify, etc. All of this in one go. And we can see here the homepage, you know, more and more events. You've got featured videos, different series, gives you some news as well on different music, etc. And you can go premium on this company. It's a really exciting platform, okay? An online technology platform. And we can see here, they say they are a leading global all-in-one streaming artist-first platform, delivering premium music and entertainment content and live streams from the world's top artists, expertly created streaming radio stations, podcasts, and original video and audio on-demand content. So much going on in this company, okay? They have over 1,800 artists streamed since January 2020. Which is quite a substantial amount, okay, in such a short period of time. They're focusing on creating a valuable connection between bands, fans, and brands by building long-term franchises in audio-visual, video, podcasting, pay-per-view, live streaming, merchandise as well, which is where some excitement comes into this company as of late as well, okay? Lots going on with this company. If we go into their investor presentation here, you can see, look at the different business models and the different addressable markets, okay? You've got music subscription side of things, which is massive. From 2014 to 2021, that has substantially grown. Over 3.8 billion smartphone users projected by this year, okay, which is big compared to where it was 2014. The live events, we're talking about the festivals, etc. You can see all this and stream all this online. Then the live streaming, Netflix, Apple Music, Spotify, growing platforms. Look at the different amount of subscribers, okay? That's a huge base there that they can tap into. Merchandise as well, and then podcasts as well. So this is the different global markets for this company, okay? It is definitely growing for sure. Very easy business model here. This is not a complicated one where we've got to go through different acquisitions, different subsidiaries for companies, etc. Pretty straightforward, okay? Online, global music platform. Not just the music platform, okay? It's doing the live events, the streaming, merchandise, etc. Let's go into some of their breakdown from this. You can see, first off here, they've reported their 11th consecutive quarter record revenue. This was massive, a 96.9% year-on-year increase, which is absolutely huge. So the financials are growing for the 11th consecutive quarter. Well, that is good, a massive catalyst for this company. And for the 9 months ended in 2020, so for the 9 months from last year, 54% year-on-year growth, so 44.2 million, an increase of 217% to 11.7 million. Numbers are once again looking very, very good. And you can see here for fiscal 2022, the revenue guidance should be 90 to 100 million. We can see here the media revenue. From 2018, it was 7.2, 33.7. It's been growing and growing. And now you can see at the end of this year, the company guidance is predicted to be 64 to 69 million, and by 2022, 90 to 100. Really is growing at a rapid pace. They do also have a company called Podcast One, which has also given them recorded gross revenue of 27.5 million as well, and that was in 2019. And that company is also growing and growing, and you can see over 2 billion podcasts downloaded. So an extra massive catalyst for this company. They have the pay-per-view live streaming, okay, and you can see it. liveXLive generated over 2 million in sales just from pay-per-view live stream concerts, which is, again, something else that hasn't really been tapped into too much. And you can see big names there that they have a live stream these concerts to. They're getting a lot of people on board. What I do really like about this as well, on top of all of these massive catalysts, and you can see here as well, over 175 different countries, their global distribution, which is absolutely massive. 175 countries. Now, liveXLive has some amazing distribution as well. Look at some of the companies. Their streaming channel reaches over 300 million people, and from some massive companies here. Amazon Fire, Roku, Apple TV, Samsung Smart TVs, Reach TV, etc. Big names right there. And of course, this is helping them to stream their original content and concerts, festivals, etc. from short form videos as well. But look at some of the sponsorships and advertisements. Pepsi, McDonald's, KFC, Mentos, Kia, Porsche. Massive names that without a doubt everybody has heard of. Okay, these are some sponsorship deals that liveXLive are working with. So it really is looking really exciting for this company. Still quite early days, but we've seen the financials growing. It's got some big advertisements, some big distribution partners as well. I think it's pretty exciting. We jump into their press releases. They are constantly putting out new press releases. If we just go back into mid-March, okay, the 16th of March, 17th, 18th, 19th, 22nd, 23rd, every day, pretty much, they are putting out more and more press releases, keeping us up to date with what is going on in this company. And they recently had this very big festival, okay, 3 days of non-stop music from over 130 artists in over 179 countries. This was just a few days ago, and they attracted nearly 28 million live stream views. Absolutely incredible. What's that doing? That's getting this platform, this content out there to more people, more investors, and more users as well. I want to take you into this most recent bit of news, okay? Literally just yesterday, they put out this. liveXLive increases their fiscal year 2020 revenue to 100 million to now 110 million, with adjusted operating income of 1.5 to now 3 million. And operational metrics continues to strengthen and refines guidance for fiscal year 2021 revenue to 64.5 to 65.5. So not a huge jump, but without a doubt, they have now increasing this guidance. So they're obviously more bullish on their company doing well. You can see the numbers for 2021 are predicted to be going up as well. And for 2022, they have substantially increased. So this is a massive... I'm not going to read out this whole article because we've got a lot to cover in this stock analysis. But yeah, basically what we're getting at here is the financials are on the rise and the company are bullish on it themselves, which is why they are strengthening their guidance for what they should be hitting come the end of these years. Now, there is a lot to cover here, but what you're probably wondering is where's the NFT side of things come into? Well, that is the merchandise side of things, okay? There's lots of ways they can monetize this NFT, but we also mentioned earlier about the merchandise. And we got this bit of news around about a week or two ago, okay? And this was liveXLive Media launches NFT content division based on its global IP and deep roster of talent and mega events. You can see here they plan to collaborate with artists to create, promote and sell NFTs in the form of music, merchandise, photographs, tickets, posters and experiences. This is another avenue that liveXLive has created to provide multiple revenue streams benefiting artists, launching with 100 limited edition of the first ever NFT festival poster for Music Lives, liveXLive annual virtual music festival. So you can see that it's really easy for a platform like this with a massive fan base, a massive amount of actual users as well, and of course celebrity endorsements and singers and artists etc. are all using this platform. It is really easy for them to create an NFT division because it can easily be monetized. And with all the hype around NFTs right now, this company is not just an NFT stock. Let me just clarify, this is a lot more than that, as you can see from what we've covered in this video. But they of course have this NFT division, which is going to give them a massive boost going forward. So let's touch on their share price. Like I say, they are currently at at $4.50 thereabouts, and yeah, it's been on a nice run as of late. Why did we see it go up to that $6 mark? Well, that was of course around this NFT hype. We had a brief few days of everybody jumping on these NFT stocks, okay, and this just put out that bit of news, and that is why we saw this run up, okay, with the hype around this. But as with anything, people take their profits and people sell out. So that's why this has pulled back. But do not let that deter you, because most of the time we're going to see this go back up. The NFT platform has not been launched. It was merely an article saying they are planning on doing it. So when they do it and they do start making sales from it, etc., and we see all of this in action, it's going to be really, really exciting for this company. And of course, the revenue, if the revenue keeps going the way they are projecting it to go and the way it has been going for the past 4 or 5 years, I think big things are to come for this company. I can't wait for this one to be profitable, but I do think that under these $5 prices, you are getting a very good company. Hold on to this one for a few years and we should be making some very nice gains. I do not currently have a position in liveXLive. Okay, it is definitely on my watch list. I was waiting for this one to drop a little bit more, but I'm not sure that will come. So I may well be pulling the trigger on this one in the next day or two. That's for sure. I will keep everybody updated on the Patreon. And if I make another update video on these as well, I will of course mention it in that one as well. Well, that's my thoughts on Livx. Let me know your thoughts on this company. Is it one that excites you? What do you think about the growing revenue, etc.? What do you think about this one in the next year or two? Let me know in the comments below. And if you appreciate these stock analysis videos, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. We'll have a few more brand new ones coming up this week as well. Stay tuned for all of that. Until next time.